This is true or false? Around 500 kids and young adults die on the road every day. True. Truck drivers can always see you because they sit so high up. False. It's always safe to cross the street when there's a green light. False. Truck drivers never get stressed in traffic. False. It's safe to cross between vehicles when traffic is at standstill. False. It is difficult for a driver to see everything around the truck at the same time. True. Familiar streets can be risky. True.
That was true or false?